What's up, Balance Veterans? Welcome to another Wellness Wednesday, and today we're going to switch things up. Look, something that's super important for my mental health is my diet. And so today we're going to show you guys something super simple to make. We're going to make some tacos. Preparing everything, we are chopping up jalapenos, tomatoes, lettuce, corn, and we've got some beans that are going to go together. And another critical part to tacos is the protein. So today we're going to be using Impossible Burger, because we live a plant-based lifestyle. So use whatever you like to, if that's ground beef or turkey or whatever floats your boat. Let's go. The final step is to enjoy the tacos. Cheers.